Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Nasofi from the first class of mechanical design. Here I will convey the result of my observation about threads. Here's the video. This is trapezoidal thread. Means that the end of the thread is trapezoidal. This trapezoidal thread is usually used on power transfer object so that the rotation of the threaded shaft is smooth and easy. I found this thread in a pipe product around the boarding house. And one again, thread radius. Threads with a radius shape are durable threads. With a simple shape, these threads are not easily eroded or cause leakage. I found this thread in Yakult drinking bottle product around the boarding house. Triangular saw thread. Triangular saw thread means that the shape of the end of the thread is like a sawtooth. The triangular thread of this saw is usually used on work pieces that are used as lock or lock so that the work pieces hook thickly. And I found this thread in an oil bottle product around the boarding house. This product is usually found in packaging bottle. The triangular thread is the thread that is most often used in nuts and bolts. This thread can be made using a tap, snare, lathe, milling machine, and others. I found this thread in water tank product around the boarding house. And the last one is square thread. Square thread, one of these types of threads has a rectangular end. This rectangular or square thread usually function as a support for heavy loads. I found this thread in a fishing rod product around the boarding house.
Audio Jungle.
Thank you for watching my video. Muhammad Nasofi said goodbye.